Hello traders, it is April 11th, 2025. It's time for another update on my trade in MSTX. MSTX is a 2x leveraged product of MicroStrategy, or I believe it's now called Strategy. This update's long overdue. I believe the last time I updated was March 6th. And if you're watching this video, you might want to go to my channel. Shameless plug here. And this would be the first video in the series. This is the second, and this is the third. Today's will be the fourth. I'll upload this after a while. So I've been in this trade for a couple of months now. So I took advantage of the green day today in the market to sell some premium. This is my flex grid. This is a 5-minute chart, and from here over is today. So I actually sold my calls around this, in this move area here. We were around 2350, I believe, when I sold my calls. I missed this bigger move up, and contrary to what I normally do, I like to kind of stagger out these calls. But since we had some green in the market, I thought I would just go ahead and sell all 5 while I had the chance. The environment we've been in the last few weeks, anytime you get some green, I think you better take advantage of it and sell call premium if you can. I don't trust green in this market. So let's go take a look at my spreadsheet here. The last update here was on March 6th, and I have done a few trades since then that didn't get recorded. I'd sold a put which expired worthless, an 18 strike put, and then I was able to sell a few calls along the way, most of which expired or I bought back for $1. So here's today's action here. I sold the 5 for 60 each, and that netted out at 297.43. Let's just auto sum this here. Okay, so I've taken in a little over $2,500 premium on this trade, and you can see my average cost up here is $32.10. Now I also have an 18 put that's going to expire today, and I'm going to let that expire worthless. We're trading $25 right now. This should expire worthless with about 8 minutes left in the day. But I was thinking, if I picked up some more shares, what would that do to my cost? So if I add another row down here, and we put in 100 shares at $18, that would have brought my cost down to $29.75. And in that case, I could sell the 30 strike calls and still not lose money on the trade. Now you may be saying, well, Jeff, why didn't you sell the 3250s today? And that would be a very good question. And I actually just kind of did a compromise. When the market started stalling out around in here, it just seemed like we weren't... I think I got filled right around in this area here around noon market time. The market wasn't going anywhere. So we lost that surge that we had, like these 4 candles and these 4 candles. When you've got a surge like that, the call premium really ratchets up. And I had kind of lost that in this 30, 45 minute period here. But the reason I did the 35s is because I thought if I get called away, I could make almost 3 points per contract, and I've also taken in 60 cents in premium, which was good premium. Now you can see the premium is much inflated from when I got filled, but we're also about $2 higher in the underlying from when I got filled. Let me take a look here at the spreadsheet here. Yeah, so I got filled when we were trading 23.70, so we're a good $1.50, $1.60 higher than we were earlier today when I was filled. So that's pretty much it. I apologize for not getting back to this sooner, but there really wasn't a whole heck of a lot to do. This is going to be a 2-week hold. I'm either going to let these get expired, or if I could buy them back on the cheap, meaning under a nickel, I'll do so. I appreciate you watching the video. If you like this content, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Until next time, have a great weekend. Great trading, everyone.